Hey everyone, welcome back. I have for you guys today the January giveaway. I know it's coming up a little bit late, but if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, make sure that you do because I actually posted this giveaway on the 1st on Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, that link was live there. So let's go ahead and show you what the giveaway prize is for this month. This month is the Winky Lux Mini Lip Pill Kit. So it comes with 5 different shades here. So that is what it looks like. It comes with the colors in the back. It says Meow, City, Royal, Heart, and Pippi. So those are the 5 there. And this is what it looks like. This is one of mine that I did have that I actually did give away a few of these. Let me go ahead and pull this out. This was the only one that was left over. So this is what they look like in comparison to my pinky. They're pretty small, and I would say my pinky's pretty small. So smell pretty good. Smell like a vanilla scent to them. I'm going to go ahead and just swatch this, and nice and pigmented as well. So all the information and the link is going to be down in the description box below. So if you want to go ahead and enter to that giveaway, that link will be down there. And it will be ending on the end of January. I think it's the 31st or something like that. That's going to be available international as well. So I hope you do enter, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And question, what would you guys like to see like during this year for giveaway items? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.